Hello everyone. Today, we have an exciting new experience for you, driving on a dirt and off-road path in the beautiful nature of Lorestan, near a valley called Kul Chap. We started from Khorramabad towards Andimeshk to reach this valley. According to the map and GPS, we entered a dirt road, but we took a wrong turn and ended up on this road. Despite the mistake, I'm glad to have seen this road and the beautiful surrounding scenery, and I'm happy to share this short video of this enjoyable mistake with you. It's a narrow and challenging road where, if a car comes from the opposite direction, you'll have to carefully pull over to let it pass. Sometimes, stopping can be difficult and dangerous due to the valleys and cliffs along the way. The road is quite uneven, and in some places, you can hear the sound of the car hitting rocks or boulders underneath. My car wasn't an off-road vehicle, just a regular city car, and I was worried that at some point I might puncture a tire on a rock and be stranded in the middle of this dirt road. Like in the movie The Hills Have Eyes, getting stuck in the middle of nowhere, or like in Wrong Turn, where they took a wrong turn just like I did and encountered those creatures. These are just jokes inspired by watching horror movies. In fact, I was watching Wrong Turn the night before. Thankfully, in Iran, we don't have such things. And I'm relieved that if something happens, the kind people of Lorestan will surely help me. Anyway, let's move on. Let's enjoy these beautiful landscapes together. By the way, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other videos. Thank you for watching. Now I'll remain silent so you can enjoy the beauty of this path in peace and tranquility.